The following are the features of the genetic code. First, there are very few amino acids that are coded for by only a single triplet. Most amino acids are coded for by either 2 or 3 triplets each. This is what makes the genetic code what we call degenerate. It's a degenerate code because most amino acids are coded for by more than one triplet. The triplet is always read in one direction along the DNA strand, and every gene starts with the same triplet. This triplet codes for the amino acid methionine. However, this methionine is not part of the final polypeptide, it is not part of the protein, it is later removed, but it signals the start of a gene. This is the start codon. We also have stop codons. They are 3 triplets that don't code for amino acids. They just mark the end of a polypeptide chain. They are like a full stop at the end of a sentence. Another feature of the genetic code is that it is non-overlapping, which means a base is read only once. It doesn't take part in 2 different triplets. And the final feature of the genetic code is that it is universal. Except for a few minor exceptions, every triplet codes for the same amino acid in all organisms. This actually supports the theory of evolution. In eukaryotes, most of the DNA does not actually code for polypeptides. It is not genes. Like between the genes, we have non-coding sequences, so we have DNA sequences, but they don't really code for anything, and they are made of repeats. So the same bases repeat themselves, and even within genes, not all of the bases code for the final polypeptide. They don't all code for amino acids. The ones that do code for amino acids are called exons. Exons are separated by non-coding regions. This is within the same gene. These non-coding regions are called introns. And not all genes that code for something code for amino acids and polypeptides. Some code for ribosomal RNA, and some code for transfer RNAs. So this is the genetic code.